Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to enable and disable name and photos sharing in message iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down in last and click on apps. After clicking on apps, scroll down and then click on messages, and here you can see the option share name and photos. Then click on it, and here you can enable and disable name and photo sharing in messages in iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you want to enable, then simply turn this button on, and if you want to disable name and photo sharing in messages, then simply turn this button off. So this is the way to disable and enable name and photo sharing in messages in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.